Hi and welcome to Campbell and Ferrara. I'm Doris Ulfeldt, a Virginia certified horticulturist. Today I'm going to show you how to properly plant trees and shrubs. Proper planting is essential to ensure a strong root system and healthy plant. If you live in our area, most probably your soil would be clay, unless it has been amended. So it's very important to amend your soil and to make it a loose environment for the roots to grow and thrive. Otherwise, your plant will be stunted. The first thing we have to do is make the hole in the site selected. It is very important to select your site, your planting site, according to the plant's requirements. Now, this is very important. The hole will be dug as deep as the container, but double or more the width. Now, the amendment of the soil. When you dig the hole, you remove 1/3 of the existing soil, which probably it'll be clay. You dispose of it accordingly. You're not going to use that. And you mix. You put it in aside, the existing soil, and you mix it with 1 part compost, which it can be compost you make at home or compost you buy. We usually use leaf grow, this one, and 2 parts topsoil. All right, with the existing soil. Also, you can use a starter fertilizer or a fertilizer, in this case, for acid-loving plants. I've used Horticulturist, which is an organic fertilizer. We dug the hole, we prepare the amendments with the existing soil that we left. We use it. It's all mixed up, so we're ready to plant. Now, you take the plant out of the container, and you're going to see that the plant has been inside the container and the roots are very tight. They need help because they have to be able to grow, and so we sort of loosen them like this. This is the crown of the plant, where the trunk meets the soil. It's called the crown. This is general for all shrubs and trees. You have to plant them 1.5 inches or 2 inches above the ground. Okay, now we have the shrub planted correctly, and we are going to proceed. First of all, we have to water it because the plant has to settle and the air has to come out of the roots. They form root pockets of air, and that has to come out. So you water it first, and then you mulch it. When you mulch it, it's very important not to mulch against the crown of the plant, which, as I told you before, is this. So you mulch it all around, and you just barely to the crown. And you're done. Now you enjoy your shrub. This planting method that I showed you today, all the steps that we went through, is for all shrubs and trees. This is a general thing for all shrubs and trees. The only thing that changes is maybe the kind of amendments. If you have an alkaline shrub like a rose, or you have an acid-loving shrub like a camellia, you might change the amendments, but the technique of the planting is exactly the same, and that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you for joining me today. If you're watching on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You will be notified of our new videos when released. If you found this video useful or interesting, please share it with your friends on Facebook. We would love that. Thanks for watching, and tune in again.